Hey Crock Posse, Aunt Lou here, and today we are going to be making Crock Pot Strawberry Shortcake, all while having a whole lot of fun.
Oh, doesn't that just look like summer in a bowl to you?
Hey Crock Posse, Aunt Lou here, and today we are going to be making Crock Pot Strawberry Shortcake. We are in my outdoor kitchen here at Camp Cris, and super excited to put this together because who doesn't love strawberry shortcake? So here's what you're going to need. You're going to need a 6-quart slow cooker. If you are ever baking in a slow cooker, I highly recommend that you use one that you know cooks evenly or doesn't cook too hot, because if you have one that cooks extremely hot, then the edges are going to get burnt and the middle is not going to get done. And so who wants that? So this is my Sir Hamilton. I know he's not available anymore, but there are plenty of good slow cookers out there. Slow cookers out there that cook evenly. So know your crock pot, and that will make you just that much closer to having a wonderful success on this recipe. So here's what else you're going to need. You're going to need 2 1/4 cups of a pancake mix. You are going to need 3/4 cup of sugar divided. So we're going to use a 1/2 cup in the first part, and then you're going to use a 1/4 cup with your strawberries. And then you also need 2/3 cup of milk, and 3 tablespoons of applesauce, and then a thing of strawberries that we're going to cut up later, and then of course you want whipped cream on top, right? So first thing I'm going to do is take cooking spray and spray down my crock pot. Then I'm going to take 2 1/4 cups of my pancake mix and put it in a bowl. Maybe. We might have to do this. I was going to use a 1 cup twice and a 1/4 cup, but it looks like it won't fit in here, so we're going to have to do 9 1/4 cups. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 2 cups, and now we're adding in the 1/4 cup for 2 1/4 cups. Next, we are going to add in a 1/2 cup of sugar, 2/3 cup of milk, and 3 tablespoons of applesauce. One, 2, and 3. And now we just mix it up. So pretty easy peasy. This is something that you can throw together super fast, and you're just going to mix this until it forms into a dough. And if you guys see me looking down a lot, it's because I'm using our website, the recipe card on our website to make this recipe. And one of the cool things on the recipe cards is that you can click it over into cook mode. Like if you look at the top, the little red part at the top of the recipe card, you can put it into cook mode. Good grief, I can't talk. Cook mode. Let's try that. And it's going to make it so that your phone doesn't go dark while you're in the middle of preparing your recipe. So pretty awesome. I love that feature. Okay, so I've got a nice dough put together here. And now we are just going to plop it in here. And this is very doughy. This is not a batter. This is a dough. So we're going to spread that out and press it all around so it just covers the bottom of the crock pot. And that's it. And so it's going to cook. We're going to cover it and cook it on high for 1 hour and 15 minutes. And I'll probably turn it about halfway through just to make sure that everything cooks evenly. It's just something I like to do when I make, well, just about any recipe, because crock pots have hot spots, and whenever, and not the good kind, not like Wi-Fi, it's where it cooks super hot or hotter compared to other parts, and you don't want that one spot to just keep on cooking. So I'm going to turn my insert, just pick it up, turn it, and put it back in halfway through, and then I'll check with the toothpick in the middle, and as long as the toothpick comes out clean or with just kind of some cake crumbles, then I know we're good to go. And we'll be back in 3, 2, and we're back. And I was watching this closely just because when I bake, that's something I really like to do with my recipes, and I noticed that a little after an hour that it was ready, so I tested it with, believe it or not, I didn't have any toothpicks in the camper, so I tested it with a fork and it came out clean. So we are ready to try this out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just run this little stirring spatula all the way around the outside of my cake. And then I'm going to take it and we're going to flip it out. Easy peasy. Of course, then it's upside down and whoop, now it's right side up. So you can either do that or you can have 2 plates or baking sheets. I didn't have any plates big enough, but this you can do it like put another baking sheet on top and flip it if you don't want to grab a hot shortcake with your hands. Now we're going to take 1/4 cup of sugar and put it over a 1 pound container of strawberries that I have sliced up, and we are going to stir that up until all of them are coated and that sugar is spread out evenly. Yummy, yummy. And if you want to do this part earlier and just set this in your fridge until it's time to serve, you totally can. I would have, but I wanted to show you guys like how I did this. So here we go, and now we're just going to cut up the shortcake. Oh, look at that. Perfection. Oh my goodness, that smells amazing. And then I did not bring a spoon, so I'm just gonna use my measuring cup and put me some strawberries over top. Check it out, guys. So look at that shortcake, like it just is amazing. Then you got your strawberries, a lot of them fell down here. Strawberries with the sugar, so let's give it a try. Oh, side by side's coming. I bet Mom and Dad could smell this yumminess from up the hill. So let's give it a try. Oh my goodness, I forgot the whipped cream. You cannot forget the whipped cream. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back again. Wow, that first bite was amazing. Just the perfect strawberry shortcake and strawberries. Let's take it up a notch with some whipped cream. Oh, if it'll come off. There we go. Alright.
Now take a look at that. Oh, doesn't that just look like summer in a bowl to you?
Alright, so let's give it a try with the whipped cream too. And if you don't have whipped cream, oh, the yellow jacket's wanting a bite. Nope, nope, nope. Whew. Oh my goodness. Okay, please don't sting me. The funs of camping. Okay, he's still, okay, easy killer. Seriously, y'all? Okay, he flew away, yay! Okay, so let's give this a try with some whipped cream, strawberry shortcake. I don't need my hair in my mouth, that's for sure. And strawberries. Divine. It's awesome. I I highly recommend that you try it. Oh, this bee wants to try it too, so I'm gonna set that down. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not already a part of our Crock Posse family, hit the red subscribe button down below. And if you'd like to know every single time we put up a video, hit the little button called the ding-a-ling. And no matter what you do, laugh often, eat good food, and speak life, guys. Bye!
Can I try it?
Yes, yes, yes.
I want it.
They always come running in.
If you want to see the latest, click on the left right here. If you feel like subscribing, click on the right, my dear. And if you think we're funny enough to send us money, click the page